Okay, we're back. So I'm just gonna have to do a couple things live. So marking out the highs, marking out the lows, right? Just gonna delete that one and delete that one and delete this one as well. So this was the trade from last night, and I still haven't uploaded that video because I'm having issues with my editing software, but CPI helped us here. This one is a hit, right? And ideally I wasn't gonna post anything today. I was just gonna work on editing the current video from yesterday, technically. One second. Okay. So what happens? We take Asia low, right? We create a new low, and then we come and right after 7:30 we take the low, and then we take all the highs, hit that TP, hit this TP, right? The trade you should have took originally, right? And then push for, which high was it? No, not on the 1 minute. Give me the hourly. Because we took another high. So this one, but I had that one marked out, I think. So if we go 4 hour. Are you kidding me? Really? Okay. I guess we didn't. I guess the only highs we took were those two, which I deleted at the start. Meaning we're making all-time highs. So that was AM session. PM session, as you can see, hasn't gave us anything, and if you were to break the rules and use this fair value gap, you would have been taken out because your stop loss would have been here anyway. But if you wouldn't taken this one, you still would have been alive. But will we take this high? Who knows? We did tap into this fair value gap, so it would be logical to take this high. But we will know about that tomorrow. So yeah, so this was interesting because today was CPI. Now let me just just use this one. Forex Factory. Okay, switch tab. No, not this one. Not this. Forex Factory. Yeah, so today was a lot of things, but mainly CPI, right? And PPI specifically. PPI and CPI. And apparently Powell spoke today as well. Oh wait, no. Wait, I know there was something wrong. Showing me the entire week. So today was CPI, right? And anybody that's kind of been on my TikTok knows me personally knows that I have two trading mentors. One being TGR Trades, because he's my guy, and then the other person being Casper SMC. Now, anyone that has watched my YouTube long enough Oh, there's two here? Okay. Would know that this strategy is a Casper SMC strategy. It's a strategy he made a video on. And if you've watched my forex strategy, which you probably should stop after I stop drawing stuff, you would know, or you might be able to recognize, that my old forex strategy was also a strategy which he talked about, right? And me being in his Telegram group, he was like, bro, why wouldn't people trade this beautiful price action? I was like, well, that's interesting. And that was like after AM session. I was like, okay, I'm gonna check that later. And I did check that later, and cleanest thing ever. Why is there two there? No, not that one. What the fuck? What the hell? Yeah. Right, you would have been in at 11:23 probably, and you would have been out. Sorry, 10:23, and you would have been out by 11. Right? This was like the cleanest thing I've seen in a long time. And you know, this being the built up, or this coming from this shit, that's crazy. That's crazy. But I kind of realized one thing. It's always the first fair value gap that is correct, right? This is one example. Like the second fair value gap, it was wrong, even though it was logical for us to be bearish since we took these highs. It doesn't matter. If the first fair value gap is bullish, we just need lows to be taken. It doesn't matter what order or which one. And if the first fair value gap is bearish, then we just need highs to be taken. It doesn't matter what order or which ones, or how old. Or ideally, we wouldn't even look at this. Anything before this line, we wouldn't give a shit about. So, yeah. And here's my question. Yeah. It's not always, but you get the point. So it's not if we've taken highs, then I'm gonna look for a bearish fair value gap, because all of the times that I've done that, which I can remember, I got stopped out. Meaning the first fair value gap was the fair value gap which was respected. So yo,